You can see a lot of cracks in the paint that are just consequences of how paint ages. We've got the vertical cracks that are formed that are related to the wood panel support, where the wood expands and contracts. And then you have this other crack pattern, which is much tighter, that's related to the dynamics that go on inside of a layer of gesso. I actually went in with Inpainting brush and touched a lot of the cracks out, the ones that were wider, darker. When you're working with the real object, we can't get rid of the cracks. All we can do is cosmetically go into them and reduce them, but by removing those cracks with the algorithms that Ingrid is using, then you can actually see the paint.
We take the original image and we run an algorithm that will segment it into a texture image where the algorithm thinks that most of the cracks are. And what you can do if you zoom in is you can see a lot of white dots or black cracks on a gray background. They're essentially showing us a clearer picture of where we can find the cracks. So you can see that there's a vertical crack right here along the center of his face, and there's a similar crack in this texture file that perfectly mimics that crack right here. The next step is to detect dark cracks and bright cracks. And so we run two different algorithms, and the first will detect where all the dark cracks are and inpaint those, and the second will detect where all the bright cracks are and inpaint those. You can see in this pink robe, this is the original file. There are vertical cracks that are relatively thick running down the robe, and there are smaller horizontal cracks running between these large vertical cracks. In this final version that we have, every single one of those cracks has disappeared. And this was all done automatically.